Welcome to another video from 55 degrees north. Today we're here at one of the most beautiful and meaningful locations in the northeast, Saltwell Park in Gateshead. Every autumn, as the leaves begin to fall and the air turns crisp, something truly special happens here. The creation of the Field of Remembrance. It's a place where memories, gratitude and community come together. A powerful tribute to those who give their lives for our freedom. The planting of the crosses began on Friday the 24th of October. Gateshead is celebrating its 13th consecutive year as host of this remarkable event, the only Field of Remembrance in the whole of Northern England. This isn't just local tradition, it's a moment of national significance, brought to life through the dedication of the Royal British Legion, the technical services team and countless volunteers who give their time to make sure every cross is planted with care and respect. Planning for the event takes place throughout the year. It's no small feat. Each cross represents a story, a family, a life lived and lost in service. Volunteers from all walks of life came together once again this year, including members of the Community Payback Service, teams from Nissan and the Saltwell Park Grounds Maintenance team. Working side by side, they helped transform this peaceful corner of Saltwell Park into a moving sea of remembrance. Each wooden cross carries its own message. Some bear the names of loved ones, others simple words like thank you or never forgotten. Together, from the tapestry of remembrance, a reminder that every name is a story of courage, sacrifice and love. The Field of Remembrance sits just outside Saltwell Towers, a tranquil and beautiful setting for reflection. Visitors are welcome to come to walk among the crosses and take a quiet moment to remember those who served and those who never returned home. In a world it often moves too fast, this field invites us to slow down, to look, to feel and to remember. It's not just about the past, it's about carrying forward the lessons of courage, unity and sacrifice. Every cross reminds us of the freedoms we enjoy today were hard won, paid for by the bravery of those who stood for something greater than themselves. When you stand here, surrounded by so many symbols of service and loss, it's impossible not to feel humbled. Each cross represents a hero, someone's father, mother, son, daughter, brother or friend. And while time moves on, remembrance ensures they're never forgotten. Across generations, the Field of Remembrance connects us, reminding young and old alike the price paid for peace. It's a living testament to gratitude and a promise that we will remember them. Thank you so much for joining me at Saltwell Park for this year's Field of Remembrance. It's been an honour to share this moment with you and pay tribute to all those who have served and continue to serve in defence of our country. Please take a moment to leave a comment below. Let me know what you think about the Field of Remembrance or share your own message of remembrance for our heroes. And if you've enjoyed this video, please give it a big thumbs up, it really helps the channel grow. If you haven't already, consider subscribing to 55 degrees north and hit that bell notification so you don't miss any future videos. A massive thank you for watching and for taking time to remember. See you next time, right here on 55 degrees north.